Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the roller in this Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver, some tape, a 1/2-inch socket wrench, and a wooden block. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new roller. There are 4 rollers used in this fridge. Because of these rollers, you can easily move the fridge around. The main reason why it would need to be replaced is if it wears out, jamming, causing the fridge not to move. First of all, I suggest to empty out the fridge from all liquids and containers that can shift during the process. Then we can tape both doors to the cabinet. Using the 1/4-inch nut driver, take out the screws and remove the rear cover plate. Next, we need to lift the fridge up. On the side, we're going to replace the roller. We're going to use the wooden block. The block has to go underneath, not any further than the width of the outer cabinet. Gently tilted the fridge. Slide the block. And lower it down. Okay, now make sure that the block goes inside, not any further than the width of the outer cabinet. Using the 1/2-inch socket wrench, remove the screw that holds the base plate. Drop the bottom down to expose the side of the roller's mounting pin. Then push out the mounting pin to free the roller. If the pin is jammed, use a pliers to push the pin out. This is the old roller next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Insert the pin, place the new roller into the opening in the base, align the holes, and secure the roller with a mounting pin. Lift the bottom, match the holes, and install the mounting screw. Tighten it using the 1/2-inch socket wrench. Install the rear access cover and secure it with the 1/4-inch screws. And now we're going to remove the block. Carefully tilt the fridge up and then remove the block. Lower down. Take the tape off and plug the refrigerator in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.